For me, Independence Day is much more than celebration. It reminds me of the courage, the sacrifices which our freedom fighters, which our soldiers have made.
It is the reminder of the freedom and sacrifices that shaped our country. Freedom means having the right to learn, express ourselves, and choose the right path while respecting others. I feel proud to be part of the great nation. Jai.
Freedom isn't just a word we celebrate once a year, it's a mindset. To me, it means having the freedom to question, to create, to fail, to learn, and build something better. And that's what I love about India. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनके हिस्से में मकाम आता है। आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनके हिस्से में मकाम आता है। कितने खुश नसीब है वो लोग जिनका खून इस वतन के काम आता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Independence is the one who you can take your decision at your will, your thinking, without any interaction or intervention from other. Independence is not the rights. The right which you get from the Indian economics, Indian constitutions and other laws of India.
For me, freedom is peace, freedom is security, freedom is also able to live my life without fear.
We are celebrating 80 years of our independence, 80 years of freedom and a free nation. And whenever we are talking about independence and freedom, we always talk about our freedom fighters, our history, the sacrifices we have made, and how far we have come. And rightly so, we should honor and respect what we have got from them. But also, this year, I have a very simple question to ask you and myself. What freedom means to us? And when this question comes forward, a very simple answer is choice. The freedom of choice. The freedom of knowing what you want for yourself, what you want to become, and what kind of future you want to pursue. The freedom of dreaming and also pursue that. The freedom of learning, failing, and do it again. Freedom of voice. To express it, to raise your voice, to ask questions, especially when you know your voice matters. It can bring a change. And freedom also comes with a lot of responsibility. Your freedom doesn't have to be the same definition for others. It can be different. Your opinion can be different from others, and we can still decide in the same word. We can have different dreams, we can have different opinions, we can have different point of views, and we can still decide in the same way. Your freedom doesn't have to come at the cost of others' freedom. So it's your time to answer the question. What freedom means to you? Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.